Hi friends, today I'll tell you about American science fiction horror film Deep Blue Sea, directed by Rennie Harlin. It was released in 1999. I'll tell you all cast, real name, age and how they look like then and now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Cast: Russell Franklin, then age 51 years, now age 73 years. Real name Samuel L. Jackson. Cast: biologist, then age 32 years, now age 54 years. Real name Jacqueline McKenzie. Cast: preacher, then age 31 years, now age 54 years. Real name LL Cool J. Cast: doctor, then age 48 years, now age 71 years. Real name Stellan Skarsgård. Cast: helicopter pilot, then age 28 years, now age 50 years. Real name Brent Rom. Cast: Tom Scoggins, then age 29 years, now age 52 years. Real name Michael Rapaport. Cast: Carter Blake, then age 30 years, now age 53 years. Real name Thomas Jane. Cast: Brenda Kerns, then age 37 years, now age 59 years. Real name Aida Turturro. Cast: Dr. Susan, then age 27 years, now age 49 years. Real name Saffron Burrows. Thanks for watching.